guys, welcome back to Pig Farming Jamaica 876. So I am here this morning at the farm, doing our little morning routine. Today is going to be a long day because two of the big pigs break out. It's not the first, and I definitely know that it's not the last. But yeah, we have Rhyme and Shaquille over here working on this pen where one of the pigs break out from. Yeah. Also, we have this little gilt. We sold her about 6 months ago. Yeah, I think we sold her as a weaner to a man few miles away, maybe a mile or two away, when he was about 2 months as a weaner, as I just said. Not sure how he to find his way back, but he ran away and he's here with us today. As you guys see her laying in the mud. Not sure when her owner will be coming for her. I really do hope it's soon. But yeah, as you can see, the entire place is dig up because two of the big pigs broke out plus that runaway one that we have, and we have some little cute piglets over here. These ones, guys, are the newest set of piglets that we have. As you guys can see, they're just enjoying themselves outside. Yeah. That's their mom in there. She's one of the pigs that break out. Oh, look at everyone here. All of these piping were connected. Now they're all separated. Let me show you the next one that break out as well. So this is the next one that break out, and OMG, look at this one. You guys see him at the place? Alright guys, so we are gonna get some work done in a few once the guys putting back all the pigs. Alright guys, so it's been a while. I haven't talked anything about our new construction. And let me not too much say our, but yeah, this is how it's looking so far. Yes, I hope you guys can see everything clearly, and I hope you guys can hear me clearly, because the last time someone said I was talking way too low, so I'm gonna try to speak up as much as possible. So this is how the new construction is looking so far. We have this will be their food bowl. Yeah, right there you see the piping, and right there you see the other one right there. So yeah, this is pretty big size pen, and we use, what do you call this again? I don't remember what you call this that we have on the roofing, but this is what we'll be using over here. It's way much cheaper than zinc. You know, right now zinc is at the top, so yeah, it's looking good already. I can tell you that the pig's gonna be loving it over here. And this is the next one as well. They're looking really good, guys. Okay, these are really big. This can hold up to about 10 pigs. I'm not being extra, but it can hold at least 5 big pigs and about 10 gilts. Alright, so that's it for this. As I said, it's a 10 apartment, and so far 2 build up. Still have about 8 more to go. The foundation digged out for the other one. Oops, it's not gonna be small. It's gonna be a smaller one than the other 2. Yeah, I still have space for 2 more, and over here space for 5. Okay, let's go back over to the pen. Alright guys, so we will be building a new door to go on this pen, because we saw damage the other one real bad, as the guys saw with the straight outside. just now, and we're gonna start from scratch with it. Hopefully it goes well and it keep her in for a good while. We're gonna use diamond wire and board to get it done. You guys will be seeing it. Give the video a thumbs up if you are liking it so far, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. Alright guys, so we are finally done with the gate. It took us about an hour, probably more, but this is how it's looking. I hope it keep her in for a good while. It's really firm and sturdy, guys. So yeah, that's it. It's looking really lovely from the outside. We are just gonna start cleaning the pens now. We got here from after 9 and it's now 12. It's now 12 and we're just gonna start cleaning the pens. So our morning routine turned into a full day routine. We are gonna clean these ones pen right about now. And we have this sow. She will be dropping soon, guys. I think I told you guys it was November. I think it will be December, to be honest. Her belly is big and all that, but our vulva has not swollen. And today is already the 21st of November. She doesn't look like she'll be ready in 1 week. Now I'll see you guys when we start feeding. Alright guys, so most of them get their feeding. While it was too nice, I didn't want to start filming because you guys couldn't hear me. But yeah, these are for the gilts, these little white buckets. Yeah, so that was really hectic, guys, but you know, it's really worth it. So alright guys, so it has come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and comment down below if you have any questions or concern. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you never miss whenever we post a video on the channel. That will be it, guys. Bye bye. Thank you once more for watching. Have a great day.